and enjoying it for customers and their families. Oh, bloody phone. That was a pretty important call as well. When we started here, it was 2001, so of course, working alongside mum and dad, we had our heads down and our bottoms up, and we're working hard together. So when we started the growing division, this was all vacant, of course, so there wasn't one plant in this place. This place was abandoned for 5 or 6 years, so there was grass taller than me, and there was a couple of old smashed up cars down in the far corner down there. And of course we thought, well, while it's here, why don't we start growing stuff? And of course the good thing about us growing it is we can see what we're going to be delivering to our customers. We grow a select range of green life, things like your Buxus, English box, and Japanese box, and Dutch box, to conifers like your Leighton greens, to a really wide range of succulents, and that's just to roll off some. I mean, we probably grow around about 30 or 40% of our products, to ensure that when a beautiful magnolia little gem goes out the door, I know where it started, I know where it's been growing, I know what they're buying. And the least that we can do is grow something to ensure that the quality's there, so when the customers take it home with them, they can really enjoy it.